Imagine replacing every sugary drink you take with something that not only tastes amazing, but actually heals your gut, reduces bloating, and supports weight loss. So, in this video, I am going to be showing you how to make this powerful fermented blueberry and grape drink at home in just 4 days, packed with natural probiotics, rich flavor, that beautiful cocktail color you're seeing right here. Oh my God. If you're trying to lose weight, improve digestion, and just want a refreshing, healthy drink this spring and summer, then you need
So
to
here
watch
basically we are
this
going to be
till the
prepping
end.
our ingredients, and first we are starting with grating the ginger. You can actually chop the ginger, but doing it this way is actually to give the ginger the ability for the fermented bacteria that will be culturing this particular drink, the ability to actually eat up the ginger and use it for the proper fermentation. So I'll equally press up these blueberries like this, just as to give it the surface area for the bacteria to culture itself, and I will do the same with the grapes, and this would just be an amazing drink altogether. Put everything in a clean jar, though it doesn't matter the number or the quantity of the grapes or the blueberries you're using. You can use any proportion. You can use more of the blueberries and less of the grapes. But blueberries are actually very expensive, and if you have to use a lot of it, that will be according to your cost. But the proportion doesn't matter, but the end product is what we are going for. So this process is just to allow the fermentation process to take place easily, because if you don't chop it like this, if you don't do it like this, if you don't press like this, you can actually chop it into smaller pieces. But I find it easier this way, and I feel that it's much easier for the bacteria to culture itself in this arena. So I went in with some cinnamon sticks and then went in with a few cloves, and I actually did not use all of that cloves. I reduced that and set some aside. I also went in with this grated ginger we have already grated before, and then with some cumin and fennel seeds. All together, we add everything into the jar. Then next, we are going in with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use white sugar. Whatever sugar you need is just for the culture. The sugar is the culture to help the bacteria eat up and make the culture easier during this fermentation. Because without sugar, fermentation definitely cannot occur. So make sure your container is airtight and you cork it like this, and then try to tie it up so that no other air comes in during the fermentation process. You can ferment this for 3 days or 4 days, but I actually went for a greater number of days, because the more the fermentation, the more the active ingredients we want. And after 4 days, this is the result with this cocktail color. I mean, it smells amazing at this point, and it's also tasty. So start by mixing everything to get that homogeneous mixture from the fermentation. And I decided to go in with this spatula and mix it properly. You can actually see the foams coming up. That is to tell you that fermentation has properly taken place, and you can get the fermented order from this particular recipe. But here you can actually add any other ingredients like star anise or whatsoever, cardamom, and whatever ingredients that you feel that is good for this particular recipe, you can actually add it. But these are just my own preference of the ingredients that I wanted for this particular juice. I know what the health benefits of cumin and fennel seeds, and I also know what cloves and cinnamon does for the blood sugar and also for the body, especially for gut health. So this is why I added these particular ingredients, just these particular ingredients. But if you don't have that, you can skip and still do it. It will still taste so amazing. Because we are going in for gut health, that is why I'm adding. So if you're very tired of sugary drinks that cause bloating, weight gain, and low energy, then this video is definitely for you. I share my homemade fermented blueberry and grape probiotic drink, a powerful natural alternative that supports gut health, reduces bloating, and helps with weight loss. This drink is made with simple ingredients like fresh blueberries, grapes, ginger, cinnamon, cumin, fennel seeds, and cloves, and naturally fermented for 4 days to boost its probiotic content. So here are the benefits, the health benefits of this particular juice. These drinks help to support healthy digestion, reduces bloating naturally, helps balance gut bacteria, aids weight loss and fat burning, refreshing and perfect for summer and spring, and also a natural alternative to soda and sugary drinks. So if you're on a weight loss journey or looking for a natural detox drink, this is a must try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy recipes like this. So the blueberries here are rich in antioxidants, supports fat burning metabolism and gut bacterial diversity, and helps reduce inflammation. The grapes also contain resveratrol, anti-aging compound, supports heart health, help regulate blood sugar, and naturally sweetens, reduce need for added sugar. And then the ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and fat burning and boosts metabolism. And cinnamon sticks are just for control sugar levels and also good for weight loss. Cumin seeds here help to reduce bloating and gas, and support fat fermentation, boost enzyme activity in the gut. Fennel seeds also are good for debloating effects, relaxes the digestive tract, and reduces water retention, refreshes breath naturally. And then the brown sugar is just for the beneficial bacteria for the probiotics, and is necessary for fermentation process, and it gets partially broken down, less sugar impact than sodas. So these are just the benefits of this particular drink, and now we have to dive into the taste. You can see the color is just like the cocktail. Cheers. And it tastes so great. Please, if you have watched this video up to this point, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and share this video to as many people as possible. Please, I share very good content in this channel. In fact, very good content, and liking and commenting will not cost you anything. Please do well to drop your comments if you'll be trying this drink, or if you are looking for a refreshing drink this summer. Thanks for watching. Bye.
You should try this.